Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the greatest number that will exactly divide 65, 52 and 78. The greatest number that will exactly divide 65, 52 and 78 is nothing but the highest common factor of these three numbers. To find out the highest common factor, we first need to factorize these three numbers. 65 can be factorized as 13 into 5, 52 as 13 into 4 and 78 as 13 into 6. This gives the highest common factor as 13. So the greatest number that will exactly divide these three numbers is nothing but 13. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the greatest number that will divide 65, 52 and 78, leaving remainders 5, 2 and 8 respectively. We know that the greatest number that will divide P, Q and R, leaving remainders A, B and C is nothing but HCF of P minus A, Q minus B and R minus C. Using this, the required greatest number here in the question becomes HCF of 65 minus 5, 52 minus 2 and 78 minus 8, that is HCF of 60, 50 and 70, which comes out to be 10. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the greatest number that will divide 65, 81 and 145, leaving the same remainder in each case. The required number will be nothing but the highest common factor of the difference of all these three numbers taken two at a time. Therefore, the required number will be HCF of 81 minus 65, 145 minus 65 and 145 minus 81, that is HCF of 16, 64 and 80, which comes out to be 16. So the greatest number that will divide all these three numbers leaving the same remainder is 16. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, how many numbers below 90 and other than unity exist such that the HCF of that number and 90 is unity? 90 can be factorized as 2 into 3 square into 5. Therefore, number of multiples of 2 will be 45, 3 will be 30, 5 will be 18, 2 and 5 will be 9, 2 and 3 will be 15, 3 and 5 will be 6 and that of 2, 3 and 5 will be 3. We can draw a Venn diagram for the given condition as If the first circle represents the number of multiples of 2, the second one represents the number of multiples of 5, and this third circle represents the number of multiples of 3. Then we get the diagram as shown here. Therefore, total will be 24 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 3 plus 3, which comes out to be 66. Therefore, 90 minus 66, that is equal to 24 numbers which also includes unity, compared with 90, have only 1 as common factor. The required result will be 24 minus 1 because it also includes unity, that is 23. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I'm Krishbu. The question is, a riot-hit state was deployed with 3 different regiments of black commandos, each having 115, 161 and 253 commandos respectively. Each regiment has commandos domiciled of one particular state only, and each regiment came from different states. The commander in charge further plans to split the regiments into smaller groups, but in such a way that all groups have same number of commandos and each group has commandos belonging to a particular state only. What is the minimum number of groups that can be formed? Since here we need to divide these 3 groups of 115, 161 and 253 commandos such that each group has equal number of commandos, we simply need to find out HCF of 115, 161 and 253. 115 can be factorized as 23 into 5. 161 can be factorized as 23 into 7 and 253 can be factorized as 23 into 11. Therefore, the required HCF is 23. Hence, the minimum number of groups that can be formed is 23. This is the required solution. Thank you.